Hello, guys. Welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. And if you did watch my last video, you'd know I'll be dropping a Shoprite coupon haul video. I'm super excited about it. It's the first time, and this is a store I've always been shopping and couponing at, and I'm pretty good at it. Um, Anyways, let's get to it. That's why you're watching. Here we have these three items. I stumbled upon the deal because of what we call a tear pad. Tear pad meaning that you could tear the coupon off. We have hang tags, we have pillies, we have insert coupons in the coupon world. So get used to the lingos, guys. Anyway, this is on sale, three for $6. You must buy three to get the deal. And this hang tag was $1 off one. So making the item $1 each. I've had it before. It's a pretty new item and it tastes really great. So my daughter loves it. So I had to have it. Next up are the Chobani items. Um, like I said, if you're not new to my channel, this is an item that I've been posting on a regular basis because they're free items after I bought a rebate. If you don't know what I bought it is, I have a link to it down in the comments below. Sign up for I bought it if you haven't done so. It's basically a rebate app. They're on sale. The milk is on sale for $3. The Chobani as well. So you subtract this 150 off of each, and you're also getting back $1.50 for each for the I bought a rebate, making them both free. I just want everybody to understand that I bought a rebates are not always uniform throughout. I may have an I bought a rebate for 115. You may have one for 125, or you may have one for $2. That's how it works. So but always check and before you purchase the item, scan your iBorder app because at any point iBorder could pull that rebate off the app. Okay, before you purchase the item, scan it. And one other tip I'd like to give to everyone: as soon as you pay for your item and you get a receipt, take a picture and submit your rebate ASAP because you could walk from the store to your car or wherever, however mode of transportation you have, and the rebate could be gone. Next up is the Folgers coffee. There was a $1 electronic coupon that you could load to your iBorder. Sorry, you could load to your Shoprite card. I did that last night. For some reason, it didn't come off for me. But they're on sale for $1.99. There's also a 50 cents electronic coupon you could download. So I end up paying $1.99 for this. But you could pay anywhere from 99 cents to 150. So this was my epic fail for Shoprite. I like to bring these opportunities up because couponers may have videos out there saying, everything went well and these are the deals, but it's not always that way. And I've noticed quite a few couponers would actually tell you it's not. So I want to be part of this group. This didn't work for me, but I should have loaded the 50 cents and paid 150. Next up is this General Mills cereal. I chose Honey Nut Cheerios, but I believe there is quite a few different cereal. I believe there was Lucky Charms. I could remember Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but I prefer this. And there's also the regular Cheerios without honey in there. So if you're interested in that, they're on sale at Stop and Story Shoprite for $1.49. You'd buy two, they would add up to $2.98. There's a load to card for $1 off two, making each of them $1 or a little less. The two items would be $1.98. So it's 99 cents each. Also, I want to mention that if you go on to freectc.com, I'll put the link below. You could get a rebate back for one of the items. So it would be even cheaper. I did submit my rebate. I have not received it back, so I cannot verify it. But I will definitely put the link down. The rebate ends on September 30th, so you have to do it very soon. Next up are these Blender coffee creamers. I was super excited about it because I'm a coffee drinker. These are on sale for $3 each. There is $1.50 manufacturer coupon in the save coupon that came out, the save insert which came out today, for $1.50. Plus, you could get $1.50. I bought a rebate, and like I said to you guys, the rebate may vary based upon the fine prints in this coupon. On this coupon, you could basically get up to four of these items. I chose three because I've never had it before, and I'm not sure whether I really do like it. I like the idea of Splenda being in my coffee instead of doing brown sugar as I normally as I've been doing right now. But also remember that, or if you don't know, Shoprite has a limit of four like coupons per transaction. So the most coupons I encourage anyone to use in one transaction that are the same, such as this one, is four. So you can get up to four of this. Up next are Snuggle products. They're on sale for $2 each. Buy four. Use the $1 of 150 of each of one item. They came out this week as well today, in the coupon insert, and they will make each item 50 cents, guys. I'm super excited about this. This is a stock up price. If you want an item to stock up for a while, if you get your hands on these 150 coupons, this is what they look like. Go ahead and do that. If you want to know how to get these coupons, mention it below. Send me inbox me on Instagram. I have quite a bit. I don't mind sharing, but this is definitely a stocker price. 50 cents for one item, and based upon Stop and Shop policy, you could only get four in one transaction. Also, please note that per if you have one card per household, you could only use that card three times for the day. So if you do decide to use the card four times, it won't work. You'd have to ask the cashier to use the store card or just wait for the next day and use it, okay? New item alert, guys. Clorox multi-purpose paper towel wipes. I have not tried it, but I love trying new products. And I opened it, looked peeped in. I think it's maybe just a little thicker than a regular Clorox wipes, but they're on sale for $1.99. All I have to use are these 65 cents off one. Majority of the shop price that I know double. The only ones I don't know are that doubles are the Brooklyn, New York City stores. There are two shop price in New York City, in Brooklyn, sorry. They do not double. So you kind of have to go to Queens or out there, or the Bronx, Long Island, and get this. But I want to, for those experienced couponers, QC your Clorox coupons. You're going to discover something about it. If you don't have QCer, download it. I will drop a video about different apps that you could use in the coupon community, but I just wanted to drop this hint out here. But anyway, there's a limit of four identical coupons in one transaction. So you could actually purchase four of those items. You will be sticking with the coupon policy of the manufacturer as well as a coupon policy of ShopRite. Okay. I forgot to mention after this 65 cents coupon doubles, because I wasn't shopping at Brooklyn stores because they don't double coupons. 65 cents doubles, it would make up this one item 59 cents. So if you want 59 cents Clorox wipes, go for it. Um, like I said, you could do up to four in one transaction, and you could do up to three transactions on one card. Next item, guys, is Nivea. They're on sale for $2.99. and you must buy two in groups of two, in sets of two, to get it for 2.99. I was gonna go through the entire breakdown, but I wanted to simplify this. Buy in sets of two. So either you buy two or you buy four at a time to get it for 2.99 after all the discounts, the sale prices. Um, then there is this $2 coupon that came out in the inserts this weekend off of one. You can use the coupon says, sorry, I had to pause a minute and come back. Limit of one like coupon in one transaction. How am I going to get this for discounted when Shoprite asked me to buy two? No, I used this time two coupons. As a matter of fact, I used four coupons in one transaction, and it worked out fine. After each coupon came off, remember they're 2.99. So after $2 was deducted, I went by Shoprite policy of a limit of four like coupons. I end up paying 99 cents each. I'm gonna give you a tip, guys. Do not pay more than 99 cents for Nivea. Nivea is a product in the coupon world that is either 99 cents or less, down to zero or money maker. So, as tempted as you may be, if you need lotion, then go for it, I must say. But this is a stock up price. Anything 99 cents or less on Nivea, buy it and stock up on it. Um, Also, a heads up, in Brooklyn, they're 3.99 when you buy two, not 2.99. Brooklyn is always more expensive. This is the only place I know, ShopRite. There may be other places. If you do, let me know in a comment below that it is $1 more. Brooklyn, New York. Anyway, don't buy it here unless if you don't mind paying $2 for it. But I just wanted to let you guys know that. Okay, so the last thing was my freebie at ShopRite this week. You could get four of these for free because they're simply $2 each, guys. Like I said, do not pay money for toothpaste. Not only it's free at ShopRite, you could also get this free at CVS. Just go, make sure you have your CVS card loaded to your app. You need to be on the app or either online. There's a coupon for $7.98 because I believe they add up to $7.98. I may be slightly off, but whatever the total is, there's a coupon for it. You load it to your card. You cannot go to the red box machine. A coupon will not print to take $7.98 off. It's a coupon that you load to your CVS card to get this for free. So you see, 3 boxes of toothpaste, totally free. Do not pay for toothpaste. Follow me and I will let you know how to get free toothpaste, guys. But anyway, so happy to have completed my first ever ShopRite um, coupon haul video. I just want to mention, I'm pretty sure there are quite a few things I missed. I know there is also free yogurt with the I bought a rebate. Didn't get a chance to do it. I wanted to do a video and then want to go back to the store. These are also the same deal as Stop and Shop. I didn't want to say, hey, I did it at ShopRite, and I really didn't. But the same, if you don't have a Stop and Shop and you watch my my Stop and Shop video, ShopRite has the same deal. You could use the same coupon. They're the exact same price. Okay, guys? Happy couponing. If you haven't been following me on Instagram, please do give me a follow. And also, please like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up for this video if you do enjoy the content. I'll be doing more. I'm really excited about my first ShopRite video.